The world is collapsing. Not tomorrow, not next year, but right now. Ancient Hindu scriptures, written thousands of years ago, speak of a final savior, Kalki, the last and most fearsome avatar of Lord Vishnu. They describe 5 powerful signs that will appear before Kalki descends to earth. And the shocking truth, all 5 signs are already here. Kalki will appear as a human warrior, riding a blazing white horse, holding a sword that shines like the sun, to wipe out every trace of evil on earth. This is not just mythology, this is prophecy, and it's unfolding right now. Stay till the end, because once you see the signs, you'll never look at today's world the same way again. Subscribe now, and let's begin. Before we understand Kalki's arrival, we must know where we are in time. Hinduism divides existence into 4 great ages called Yugas. Satya Yuga, the Golden Age. People lived for 100,000 years, filled with truth, peace and divine wisdom. Treta Yuga, the Silver Age. The time of Lord Rama, when life was still pure but slightly less perfect. Dwapara Yuga, the Bronze Age. Lord Krishna walked the earth. People lived about 1,000 years, but corruption began to rise. Kali Yuga, the Iron Age. The age of darkness, chaos and greed. This is our age. Kali Yuga began the exact moment Lord Krishna left earth, around 3102 BCE. We are now more than 5,000 years into it, and it will last 432,000 years in total. But the scariest part? The end of Kali Yuga, when evil reaches its peak, will trigger the arrival of Kalki Avatar, and that time has begun. Sign 1. Rulers will become thieves. The Bhagavata Purana says, in Kali Yuga, rulers will become thieves. They will tax the people unfairly and use the wealth for their own pleasure. Justice will be sold to the highest bidder. Look around today. Politicians richer than kings. Citizens suffering while corruption grows. Laws that protect the powerful, not the people. The protectors of truth have become its destroyers. Sign 1. Active. Sign 2. Wealth will define a person's worth. The Vishnu Purana warns, in Kali Yuga, a person's value will be judged only by their money. Think about it. We live in a world where people worship celebrities and billionaires. Social media measures your worth in likes, brands and followers, not kindness or knowledge. True teachers of wisdom have thousands of followers. Influencers showing luxury cars have millions. We replaced character with currency. Sign 2. Active. Sign 3. Family bonds will break. The Linga Purana says, in Kali Yuga, children will disobey parents. Families will fall apart. People will care more about strangers than their own relatives. Doesn't that sound familiar? Divorce rates rising. Elderly parents left alone in nursing homes. Children glued to screens instead of family. Once, 3 generations lived together. Now most families don't even eat together. Sign 3. Active. Sign 4. Truth will vanish. The Kalki Purana says, in Kali Yuga, liars will be believed and truth-tellers will be mocked. We live in an age of deepfakes and fake news. Lies travel faster than facts. Even sacred texts are called myths. History is rewritten to suit agendas. Whistleblowers are punished. Liars are rewarded. Sign 4. Active. Sign 5. Nature will rebel against humanity. The Brahma Vaishnavara Purana says, in Kali Yuga, humans will destroy the earth. Rivers will dry, forests will vanish, the air will become poison, and nature will strike back. Look at the world today. Fires, floods, droughts. We have polluted oceans, cut forests, poisoned the air. Now nature fights back, with storms, heat waves, and earthquakes stronger every year. The ancients warned us, earth is alive, and when she suffers, she retaliates. Sign 5. Active. All 5 signs, active at once. The sages saw this moment 5,000 years ago. They described our world perfectly, and they said, When these signs appear together, Vishnu himself will descend as Kalki. According to the Kalki Purana, Vishnu will be born in a hidden village called Shambhala, but no one knows where it is. Some say it lies deep in the Himalayas. Others believe it exists in another realm, hidden until the right time. Kalki will be born to a priest named Vishnu Yasha and his wife Sumati. When he's born, the gods will know, but so will the demons. Evil forces will try to destroy him as a child, just as Kamsa tried to kill Krishna, but divine power will protect him. Kalki will grow up in secret, trained for one purpose, to end the darkness of Kali Yuga. And when the time comes, the final war will begin. But who will train Kalki for this battle? What divine weapons will he receive? And where exactly is this hidden land called Shambhala? In part 2, you'll discover the immortal warrior who becomes his guru, Parashurama, and the weapons that even gods fear. A sword that can cut through dimensions, a horse that flies between worlds. Subscribe to Universal Stories and don't miss part 2, the birth and training of Kalki Avatar. Tell us in the comments, which of these 5 signs do you see around you today? Because the age of darkness is ending and the final avatar is coming. Are you ready?